In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Phantom Wallet fail to authenticate issue. By following these steps, you will be able to resolve authentication problems and successfully reconnect your wallet to websites. Start by opening the Phantom Wallet extension in your browser. Once the extension is visible, locate and click on the option labeled Lock Wallet. This action will secure your wallet. After the wallet is locked, you will need to unlock it again. Enter your password to proceed. Once you enter the correct password, the wallet will unlock, allowing you to continue with the next steps. Next, navigate to the website where you are attempting to connect your Phantom Wallet. Refresh the page by clicking the refresh icon in your browser or pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. After the page reloads, look for the Connect Wallet button on the website and click it. This will initiate the connection process again. After that, return to the Phantom Wallet extension, click on the settings icon, which typically appears as a gear symbol. Then select connected apps from the menu. In this section, you will see a list of websites that your wallet is currently connected to. Find the website that is causing issues and click on the option to remove it. Once removed, reload the website again to ensure a fresh connection attempt. Click Connect Wallet once more to establish the connection. If the issue persists, try closing your entire browser. This step ensures that any temporary glitches are cleared. After closing the browser, reopen it and navigate back to the website you were using. Attempt to connect your Phantom Wallet again. Finally, it is important to ensure that the Phantom extension is up to date. To do this, access your browser's extensions menu. Look for the option to update extensions. Click this option to check for any available updates for Phantom. Once the update process is complete, reload the Phantom Wallet extension to apply any changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.